Hello, my name is Luke Strahan. I'm the president of IrishSat for the 2023-2024 school year.
And I'm Sarah Kupfer. I am currently the CTO and will be the president for the 2024-2025 school year.
IrishSat is Notre Dame's first undergraduate satellite and space design team. We work with a variety of different colleges, including the College of Engineering, College of Science, and the College of Business, where we have over 60 undergrads that are actively involved every single week working on all of our projects.
We have 4 recurring projects, which include our ground station, our CubeSat, our instrumentation lab, and our high altitude deployment system. And additionally, we also do smaller scale projects, including our Starshade and any other project that students bring to us with interest in doing.
So over the last 4 years, we have accomplished a lot in building up our infrastructure and test beds to be able to work on subsystems of satellites. And this year we have successfully applied to NASA's CubeSat launch initiative, as well as the University NanoSat program. And our goal with these programs is to put a successful research proposal together to be able to put Notre Dame's first satellite into orbit. And to do this, we've been working with all the undergrads in our team in engineering and College of Science, putting together power systems, communications, structures, control algorithms, and all of those concepts that we're learning in class, but then applying them with hands-on experience on IrishSat.
CubeSat project is kind of the main force behind IrishSat, the team that is in charge of designing, manufacturing, assembling, and testing the systems that are integral to prove that we have the capabilities to create a space-grade satellite. So over the past couple of years, we have been working on building up our systems. So that includes power, that includes ADCS, which is attitude determination control, basically knowing where we are, knowing where we're pointing, computing, which is developing the software systems to run every thermal system to mitigate the very hot temperatures when you're in the sun and the very cold temperatures when you're in the Earth's shade. Structures, creating the entire assembly that contains every subsystem, as well as the payload, which is what is going to hold a piece of Notre Dame professors' research on board, so that we can actually show to NASA that we have a reason to be in space.
So something really special about IrishSat is that a lot of people, the students of the club, get to work with professors to integrate their research into our projects. So it's a really cool way to replicate how the real world works, where engineers have to work with scientists. In the past few years, we had worked with a professor in the EE department to integrate their novel antennas into our high altitude balloon project. And in this past year, we were working with another professor to integrate their novel antennas into now our CubeSat project. And it's a great way for students to get experience in taking this more academic research into a more applied industry setting.
Beyond that, we get to work with a lot of industry partners who help us with our designs and teach our club members how to grow their own skills, so when they get to that point where they're graduating, they know how to work in a team at an industry level. So we work with companies like Epic Solutions, who I've worked with pretty closely as well, who will do Zoom tutorials on the systems that we're working with, and different opportunities like that to learn from experts. That's part of what I really love about the club. You get that experience that you wouldn't get anywhere else here at Notre Dame.
To keep everything up and running, there's obviously we need power, and so we have a custom circuit board that the power team designed that sort of distributes all the battery power and charges the batteries, which has been really cool just to learn about, especially as a first year coming in and not knowing really anything at all about electrical engineering or how all that stuff worked. It was really cool just to work on like the high level stuff that I wouldn't see until my junior year as a freshman, and so that's been really, really exciting.
I know that for a lot of us, we get more experience and knowledge working with IrishSat in a very short period of time than you might over your entire 4 years as just a student.
This year in IrishSat, we experienced an increase in members. We saw Goat Lab probably triple in size this year, and we were able to expand our project range to produce 4 demos for this year's banquet. And in addition to that, if we were to receive more funding, we'd be able to expand to new projects like the vibroacoustic chest chamber and our encoder gimbal design, which would be really cool.
So I highly encourage you to check out some of our work at our website and consider donating to IrishSat this ND Day.
Thank you.